Hi, I'm Mike Bennie.
Hi, I'm Colin Fassnidge.
Welcome to Taste Dining at Home.
Presented by Diners Club.
Today we're in Colin's kitchen cooking a feast for family and friends.
I'm going to cook a beef short rib stew with a little hint of licorice.
And I'm going to be cooking carrot tzimmes, a traditional Eastern European Jewish dish.
Did you bring some wine to go with it?
I sure did. I brought a bit of wine, do a bit of food matching. This is going to be a lot of fun. Hey Colin, so why the beef short ribs?
Beef, ribs, meat on the bone, it just equals flavour. Do you know what I mean? Short ribs and secondary cuts, you know, they have a lot of muscle in there. They need a little bit of experience to cook it. Once you learn how to do it, it's very easy, and the end result is flavour and the best cut of meat you're gonna have. Okay, so we start by sealing the beef, hot pan, get a beautiful golden brown crust because that's gonna give you a beautiful stock. Then we're gonna add our aromats, carrots, celery, garlic, thyme and bay leaf, and that's gonna give you a beautiful stock. Then we're going to deglaze with our red wine, our soy sauce and our vinegar. So it's sort of a little sweet and sour thing going on here. Then I'm going to add a little spoon of licorice powder. Yes, licorice powder. So it's going to add a little round flavour.
Now licorice normally looks like it's a black short sweet, so this is something different.
Licorice is actually a root. It looks like a little twig. So you grind it down, that's what we've done here, and you get a beautiful powder.
Yeah.
And you use it sparingly. And then I'm going to top it up with water and simmer. That goes into the oven for 2 hours. When that comes out of the oven, I'm going to add my peeled baby onions and my shiitake mushrooms. Simmer that for about 20 minutes just to cook the onions. Let the whole dish sit for about half an hour just to rest. And then it's serve time. So the beef's in the oven, what's next?
I got the side dish, carrot tzimmes. Well look, I've got an Eastern European Jewish background. I saw your dish, I thought I needed to put alongside it the Rosh Hashanah Jewish New Year celebratory dish of carrot tzimmes, which is basically a honeyed carrots with dried fruit. Delicious, rich, sweet and fun to go alongside your food.
So I've got the saltiness of the beef, the sweetness of the prunes, match made in heaven.
Sure is, like you and me.
That's it.
All right, so once those carrots are diced into small rounds, seal them gently in oil in a large stock pot, and then you just scatter raisins on top. Following that, you mix all the leftover ingredients together. The orange juice, the stock, the brown sugar, the honey, and combine that all up with a little bit of cinnamon. Pour that over the top of the carrots and the raisins and create a little bit of a stew. Simmer that gently, about 25 minutes or so, and then take the lid off the pot and let it reduce down so it's nice and sticky. Just before it's finished, you throw in another handful of prunes and let them soften a bit for about 5 to 10 minutes. All that looks beautiful, put up in a serving dish and you're ready to go.
All right, so this is the finished dishes. Let's try it. Beef mushroom. This goes all year round, this dish. The stock is light, it's bright. The meat is soft and giving.
Richness of flavour, but still plenty of detail in that seasoning. All right, so now it's time to taste this masterpiece. Make sure a little bit of prune on there, a little carrot, there we go, and raisin.
This is the first. You get the cinnamon, the sweetness, the stickiness. It's a perfect foil to the beef. So we've got a meat, we've got a side, we need a drink.
I brought 3 today. I thought I'd be a little bit profligate, but the idea being that we'd have something with high acid to cut through the richness of the dish, which is a light fresh red, something with a bit of fizz, again to kind of reset the palate and get you ready for the next mouthful of both the sweet side and the sort of richer protein, and then something just for a little bit of well-being. We've got a non-alcoholic beer, but a craft beer style non-alcoholic beer. A little bit of fun alongside.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Cheers, Colin, that was fantastic.
Ooh. So you've seen how simple and good this is? Go try it yourself.
Get the recipes at the Taste of Sydney website.